Welcome back, friends. I have been warning for the last 2 days of exercising restraint, of being cautious, and I have been time and again saying that the markets look overbought in the very short term. I still believe that we could see some sell off today over the next few days, in fact. How much, where, yes, is something which is important. Today, they could be, the sharpness could be there more throughout the day, but between 10 and 10:30, it could be also quite a bit. But this is not something that I'm telling you today. I've been warning since many days that there is a sharp sell off that is round the corner. And many people had called me yesterday and they were asking, Sir, you have been saying, but I said, wait, 2 more days are left in this week. I said this week, and I still believe that sell off will come. Just like shorts are forced to cover, it is quite possible that longs may be forced to cover. There is also another thing, this is also options expiration day. So the puts have melted in premium quite a bit. Anybody who would have bought some puts can fetch 10 times, 20 times if the markets go crazy down. So these are all calculations done by big players, and we try and unravel it for you guys from time to time. We try to tell you, okay? People in our Telegram channel also, I keep telling about nice. It is not something that is consistent with uh, behavior ethical, but this is something which is the game that you learn after a long experience that people play to make money in the stock market. So buying premiums, buying puts when they had melted so much and quadrupling it in one day is the great way to make money. I had cautioned some of my people that this is coming up. So, anyways, to cut the long story short, I still believe that some sell-off is in the offing, and be cautious. I've given you one time, will not give you more because uh, there are limitations in this video. But yes, any help anybody needs or would like to join the Telegram channel, both ways, please do get in touch with me on 982-086-1044. And before I conclude, we are starting a new program on, it's a 5-day workshop on where the markets are headed. There is too much of turbulence. Suddenly it is rising, suddenly falling, whether calm will return, whether it will fall more. There's a very common question. People ask me, sir, in Hindi they keep saying, market का क्या लगता है आपको? Market का क्या लगता है आपको? That's not such a simple question to answer. I'm covering it in a 5 days workshop. If you would like to join, do WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. If not, you just want to be a part of the Telegram channel, you can just do that as well. Okay. This education is the most important part of our work, and I thought it's good to assemble some people and explain what's going on. Otherwise, people do not really understand where the markets are headed. So either you can join it or you can just be a part of my Telegram group. You can, where we have more ideas about every day where we are headed. So do get in touch with us. And our number is 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.